Hello everyone, welcome to Vicbar's Migo. Today I will show you how to clean the table, and I want to find out which cleaning item is suited or good for cleaning this table. We have this one, we have this one, and we have this one. This one I already tested it with the cleaning some other areas, especially the bathroom, but this can be good for like a multi-purpose one. So I will not use that one first. I will use this one. If this is good, then I don't need to use the rest. These two I will just set it aside, but I want to use this to find out if this is a good one. So let's go and start cleaning the table. So the materials, I show you already these cleaning items, and some materials that I need to use is this one and rug. So I will start spraying now. Oh, I have to remove this one. I will use another one jacket. This is not good. This is my working jacket, so I'm good now. I can start working now. I hope it will not damage the wood. I'll put this one there. Yesterday, guys, I put the feet of this table. So now I have to keep it ready to use. I can smell it. Oh, it looks good. But I think I need a little bit of water on it. is a very heavy table, guys, because it has tiles on the top. I think this one is enough to clean this table, so I will not use the other two anymore. Okay, I think that's enough. But I think I need to rinse it with water. I have to put a little bit of water. is clean. Okay guys, I think it's time to show the result. Is it clean? Is it clean enough for you? It's clean enough for me. Think it's good. Well, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.